your hands. I like shoot, I will shoot. Jingle bell, all the way. We'll hop off our jingle bell, say, hey. Jingle bell, all the way. We'll hop off our jingle bell, say, hey. I like you.
Good morning, guys. Alis kami, punta kami sa... Where are we going? Where are we going? We're going to the cave. Baba! Si ate dito siya mga siniset up ni Jan yung isang kuha lang ako ng wipes. Wala tayong wipes. Nasaan si Tony? Ayun. Where? At, yeah, you go that way. Bay 1? Yeah. Baba, say good morning! Good morning, Kuya! Good morning! Daddy. Say good morning. Ayan sila Pompa, kasi si Tony.
Oh.
Good. Baba, put your Tito Tony, put your seat back. Come on. Good girl, Baba. Punta na kami ng cave, guys. Ano na? 10:32.
We just
May tumatawag kayo dyan. Yung binibenta niya ng lobster. Para I think may ibibigay na.
Yep, no
Every year
worries.
kasi
I'll let you know when we're coming home.
may binibigay silang Christmas gift.
Righto, so trust. Alright. Hill. You go in there and there's the landing and the picnic area in there.
Right, this one.
Yeah, all in there.
Kumakanta kasi si Holly. Are you singing again?
We're in Logan now.
Si Jan kumakanta and sumasayaw-sayaw siya. Turn up daw.
We're here, look.
We're here, Baba. Gusto niya malakas yung volume. Oh!
Yeah, Randall used to live in there.
Lots of cars.
Yeah, oh, there, here. Randall used to live here.
Kaibigan niya daw dito, no? Dati nakatira. What do you call this cave, Han? Princess Margaret. Hoy.
Yeah.
Princess Margaret, what? Rose Cave. Dito na kami, guys. Alam mo, lubot ako. I look sexy. I look sexy. Ito yung sign. Welcome to Princess Margaret Rose Cave. Ayan. Are you okay, Saki? Are you happy? Yeah?
Don't.
May entrance fee. So, ayun si Jan. Nagbabayad na siya. Maraming tao. Busy, guys. Tapos na kayo magbayad. Naghihintay lang kami. And sinabihan kami na tanggalin daw yung tripod sa camera. Pero pwedeng dalhin yung camera, pero hindi pwedeng yung stick. Anything with stick, hindi pwedeng dalhin dito sa, dito sa Cave, Margaret Cave.
Next one, 12 o'clock, is it?
What time? So, 12 o'clock yung next.
Did you get your ticket?
Yeah.
No, that's mine. Did you buy yours?
No, I didn't.
What?
They have to...
You got to pay.
I thought you get for family.
No, only me.
Whatever, don't be... Tinatanong ko siya kung... No,
The kids
ilang
are
bayad
free.
niya. Oh, the kids are free.
Under 15 is free.
Under 15, free yung
Not
kids.
much.
So, adults lang yung binayaran. So, how much you pay, honey?
Oh, I don't know.
Ito na.
Well, I can't remember. Probably 20 bucks or 18 bucks or something. No, just for you. They're free.
How about you?
I'm not going down there.
You should go.
No, I've seen it 100 times.
Yeah, but how about the
They'll be right.
kids? Hindi pala siya sasama. Ako lang ang
I've seen it. I'm
binayaran
paying to
niya.
go see it again. I haven't paid to go see it yet. I'm not going to start now.
Hindi pala sasama si John
Yeah,
kaya
I'm not
ng
gonna
kids.
You're not going down?
No, Lyra's going. Yeah, but I'll...
Oh, Tony and Tony and John
Yeah.
are not coming. So hindi sila nagbayad, kami lang. Ilan ni John yung mga bata na ang lollies tsaka drink. Kasi hindi pala sasama to si Johnny Boy. So kami lang daw. Kasi ilang beses niya na raw ito nakitang cave na to. So ako lang palang binayaran niya. Free yung mga bata. Ayan yung mga souvenirs dito. Tea towels, $15 each. Ayan si koala. Magkano ka koala? $20. Ayan. Ayan. You can share. Ayan si Sak. Meron siyang, what's that? Is it sour? Is that sour? Ayan kay salt. It's salt. Yeah. Si Sak pareho and si Kuya. Si Kuya kasi ayaw niya yung kinuha ni Daddy niya para sa kanya. Is that yummy? Is it salty or what? Is it sour?
No.
What?
Fire.
No. Tell me.
Sour.
It's not sour. Is it sweet? Is it sweet? Oh, try. Mommy, try. Oh, it's yummy.
He didn't bite it.
Oh, do you want me to bite it? It's sour, Baba.
No, they didn't.
It is. It is. Okay, let's go, Baba. Come on. See you, Tony.
Yeah, have a good time.
See
Do you want to
ya.
hold that?
See you.
Get a cup
Do you want to hold the bag?
Why?
Well, we don't really need it.
But this one.
You only need a camera.
You sure?
Yeah. No shops down in there, babe.
No shopping there? Okay. Kinuha niya yung bag. Wala daw na shopping. Come on. I like that. No shopping there. Okay, come on, Baba.
Probably got a bank card in the pocket.
I have my credit card there, honey. Pag time yun na yung tour, i-change niya yung clock. Ayun, kanina nandyan yung babae. Kami 12:30 kami.
Oh, okay.
Inside? Inside? Not here? Inside? Ah, dito pala. Dito kami nakaupo. May pa-briefing ata bago pumunta sa cave. And then maraming bawal. Bawal yung, yun nga, yung stick. Bawal yung backpack kasi baka matamaan yung mga, alam niyo na yan? Oh, tayo yung next. So, ayun. Parang nasa ano tayo? Para tayong ano, nasa ferry terminal. Kabili na kami ng ticket. Punta kami ng Cebu. Cebu kami, guys. Ayun, naghihintay kami ng ano, ng captain. Guys, papunta na kami pero parang hindi pwedeng mag-video so hindi namin alam kung makakapag-vlog kami doon. Maraming bawal as in. So, eto tayo. Merong steps. Wait, Baba.
They said there would be 60 steps.
You have to be careful. Oh. Careful, Kuya, ha? Careful. Very tiny. Oh my God. Come on, Holly.
Look, she's touching the wall.
It's alright. She can touch the wall. We're not in the cave yet. Oh, careful. It's wet. It's wet.
My good shoes are gonna get wet.
Okay, be careful.
This is why.
Go, Papa.
Punta tayo sa ano?
Oo.
Where are we going?
Bakit na? Pabalik na tayo sa taas, guys. Tapos na yung cave tour. Ang tiny-tiny ng ano, ng daanan. Go, Baba. Nanginginig yung aking tuhod. Tapos na, guys. Nahilo ako dun, ah. Napaka-stricto, grabe. Check natin yung mga hindi sumama. Asa na sila? I feel dizzy, Han. Ayan sila. Oh. Where you going, honey? Ice cream. Kuha daw sila ng ice cream ng mga bata. Ayun, naghihintay sa kanya. Si Holly. Dolly! Ah, si ate. Paborito niya si ate, oh. Ayun, kinuha niya si ate. Ayan na sila, oh. What you got, Baba?
Baba, you made it, Baba.
Yeah, she want me to carry her.
And it's quite steep going up. And it's tight.
Tight. Si Sak. Oh, thank you, Sak. What's this? Mint? Yum. You love mint ice cream. Who's that? That's for Mark. Binala mo si Mark? Did you get for Mark?
Oh, I didn't.
Oh.
Mark on ice cream.
I think he's good. He's good? Kinunan niya. Nakalimutan niya si Mark. Si Aliyah, kinunan niya. Mag-share na lang. Mag-share na lang sila. Baba, watch your clothes, please.
Holly all the time.
Hinatian ako ni Jan. Kasi hindi niya rin ako kinunan ng ice cream. What's this? Kit Kat? Is it Kit Kat, huh?
Yeah.
Share?
Keep going, but
Where's my bag? Good. Kamusta?
Okay naman. Pinapakain ako niya na.
Sinusubukan ka nila? Inubos lang yung ice cream and then we're going to the river, right? After this, Tony? Are we going? Honey, are we going to the river after this? Oh, we're just gonna walk? Here? River. How's your ice cream, Baba?
It's dripping.
Okay, finish it.
That's dripping.
It's dripping. Oh, come on, hurry up. Eat.
tongue, lick it.
Yan, ice cream lang sila. Is it good, ate? Exercise. Exercise? Oh, 68 steps yun, guys. Yung 68.
Now, you shouldn't have left John and I alone for half an hour because while you're away,
Yeah.
we've decided that except for you, we're all going camping.
Mine.
Why except for me?
There's no toilet, no shop.
Ganun na ba talaga ang tingin niyo sa akin?
Sisakal talaga.
Magka-camping daw sila. Silang lahat except daw sa akin kasi wala raw na shopping.
You look like an alien.
Sabi ni Tony nandyan.
Gets all around his
Go,
face.
Baba, look!
Road that uses.
Iwan ka nila kasulang shop.
Kaya nga, iiwan daw ako. Iiwan nila ako sa ere. Kinikwento ni Jan, may na dapa daw dyan na. Ngayon lang? Oo. O, nung tour na namin, may papasok na babae. Sabi ni Jan and Tony, nakita niyo yung white doon? na ano siya doon, parang natapilok. Tapos malaki siyang babae. Tapos may anak and may asawa din nakasama. Kaso hindi kinaya. Tinulungan daw nila ni Tony. Tapos ito daw na ano daw yung tuhod as in duguan. Ito. So sila dapat ang next. After namin sila na yung next. Pero hindi. Wala. Asa na kaya? Hindi rin namin nakita. Pero sabi ni Jen, hindi pa raw bumabalik. You don't like this? Ayaw na ni Sak. So, akin yung mga tira-tira. Tama lang na hindi ako binila ni Jan.
What do you want to do? You want to go for a walk down there or what?
Let's go. Punta ka sa river.
Right, you need the picnic. Come on. It'll be good going down. Probably won't be good going up. You'll be right. Come on.
How many kilometers, son? Ha? 20 minutes walk daw yung papunta sa river, guys. And si Pompal, parang gustong sumuko. Pero sabi ni Jan, kailangan daw mag-exercise.
So just tell her it's 10 minutes.
20 minutes
Ano?
walk.
Come on.
Dad, it says 20 minutes to return.
So, ito yung original cave entrance, guys. Yung pinunta namin kanina. Ayan yung, dyan talaga duman, yung nakadiscover. So, linagyan nilang fence. Yes!
We're going to big trap.
I'm not sure, kuya. Natatao kay Mark. Kasi kahapon, gusto niyang umalis, punta raw somewhere. Si Pompal parang ayaw niyang gumalaw. So ngayon, umalis tayo. Napapagod na siya. Si Mark ba? Si Marco mo? Si Mark. Sabi niya, di ba kahapon? Let's go. Alis tayo. Let's go. Then nagalit na siya. Inis-inis siya kasi hindi mo siya inaano. Tapos, ngayon,
yan, ginusto niya ito, guys. Umayo siya.
Ngayon, hinihingal siya. Sa cave pala yung paakyat kasi nga 68. Steep. Very steep. Yung ano, very narrow and very steep. Tapos nakakahilo. Yung paakyat talagang sabi, oh my God. Para daw nag-regret daw siya. Tapos ngayon, hinaya kami ni Jan. Papunta naman dito sa river. You guys. Nature.
Napapasabak na ng English siya. Nandugay dyan.
Tapos
Si Jan pa naman yung in-English talaga niya. Hindi naman talaga magkakaintindihan itong dalawa.
si nanay yung ini-English ni Jan.
Tagalogin mo yan, Jan.
Kailangan, sabi niyo, gusto niyong lumabas eh. Ayan, tinutur kayo ni Jan. Ayan yung...
Talaga mga tourist.
Ayan. O diba? Siya na rin nagpupush kay Aliyah. si Jan na nagpupush kay Aliyah. Oh. Ay. Diba? Tulong-tulong na. Ginusto nyo yan eh. Ayan, may paano dito. May pa fence. Ganda. Ayan yung river, guys. Wow, ganda nga. It's nice.
Not in a tight spot.
Pumpal, visit naman to si Jan.
Snake.
Pumpal piste.
Biniro
Hindi mo
siya.
talagang dumidila-dila.
Ginusto niya yung mag. It's nice, right, Mark? Ganda.
Pangalan ng river na papunta.
Glenold. Di ba sa Adelaide yun?
Ang wala na tayo ng Adelaide.
Are we in Adelaide?
Di ba na bakalayo yung inano natin Pompal?
Ewan ko. Di ba sa ano yun?
Ito na guys, nandito na kami sa lupa.
Yeah.
Papunta sa river. Oy, Jan, magchula daw kayo for the vlog. Kiss for the vlog.
Close your eyes. Would you dream for me
Mag-Titanic ka, Pompal.
That's it? Ayaw na ni Mark kasi sabi ni Jan nandun pa raw, hindi daw dito yung katapusan.
Where we're sitting, if you go down that
Ayaw na ni Mark.
right down to the
Hey Mark, sabi mo alis tayo, andito na tayo. Suko na? Suko na? Suko na, Mark? Gusto niya silip. Alis? Picture lang kami doon.
open eye. Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Which way, Han? Ay, saya ni Mark. Hindi na tayo maglalakad, Mark. Ginusto niya to eh. Balik na raw tayo eh kasi naawa na si Jan kay Mark. Naawa na si Jan kay Mark. Baka hingalin pa si Mark. Balik na kami, guys. Ang ganda! Oh, first time ko rin dito. Kaya nga, pag may bisita kami, pinupuntahan namin yung mga tourist spot dito sa may sa amin. Kasi hindi niya pa ako dinala. Kasi nga, fishing season. Wala rin naman siyang talaga time. Kung ipapahinga niya na lang. So siguro gusto niya ikaw ilabas kasi para may makita ka naman na iba. Si Holly naka piggy bank na kay ate. Ang ganda ng weather, hindi mainit, hindi malamig. Sobrang ganda. Perfect talaga siya. Tinutulungan nila si Aliyah. You sure? Kasi buhangin ba siya? Mahirap siyang i-push. Si Pompal, dala niya yung camera ko. Hindi niya alam na nahulog. So, nakita ni TJ.
What? Now you've lost your cover. SIM card, now cover.
Binibiro niya si Pompal.
Halika dito, bilis mo ha.
What?
Where's your cover?
That's why it fell.
Where?
Where?
I don't know.
That's bloody awesome bloke your card.
Ikaw na talaga, Pompal. Si TJ, sabi ni TJ, kanino ito?
Ala, niloloko na siya ni John.
Ayan. My God, lovely. Baka ikaw nang sud na mawala, ha?
Stand here in front of me so I can watch you.
Ang dami niya kasing nawawala, ha? Yung SIM card, ngayon naman yung cover ng camera ko.
Pala, bakit nakita ninyo Pompal?
Si TJ, sabi niya, Ma'am, someone left this here. Sabi ko, don't touch it because akala ko headband. Kasi nakaano siya sa... No, ma'am, that's for the camera. Sabi ko, sabi ko, akin to.
Yung binaligan ko, sabi ko, bakit nawawala?
Nawawala?
Hingal ako Pompal.
Nawawala, ikaw talaga.
Hoy, siyang sumabit.
Super glue ka daw sa car seat.
Sabi ni Tony, super glue na raw to kasi maraming nawawala.
Nawawala na ako sa sarili ko, guys.
Oy, may nagre-reklamang isa. Yung isa
Sabi
hingal.
nila,
Sabi nila,
gutom na siya. Sabi ni Manay, ayaw niya sumama dahil para magluluto siya. Ngayon, magsardinas kami.
Magsardinas kayo.
Dito yung chef
Ayaw yung pumirmi sa bahay para kumain lang. Gusto nyo adventure.
Adventure.
Ayan, gutom adventure kayo.
Expect na yung nakakapagod na adventure eh.
Ay, hingal. Sabi ko, walang signal dito. Sabi ni Jan, dito raw dapat kami tumira. Walang shopping, walang signal. Is that what you want, Han?
Yep.
Yep. Kasi sabi ko, hindi tayo makapag-Instagram. Sabi niya, that's good.
It wasn't it, Tony? It was good. It was good to have a phone, right? We had the phone, but all this network and that's just taken over the world.
Oh,
Not the same.
completely.
You should go to Kangaroo Island too, John. There's no signal. There's no phone.
There's no phone?
Like the phone, the
Tingnan mo.
mobile phone was a brilliant idea. Yep.
Yeah, but what a
Now it's just gone up.
outrage the world.
Narinig niya yan, guys.
We're going to the car now.
We're going to the car na ate.
We have to because Laura's hungry.
Right.
Punta na tayo sa parking lot, guys. Balik bahay na kasi gutom ng aking mga bisita.
It's not going to
Yeah.
be hot, mate.
It's not, yeah, it's different, kuya.
I'm still doing it.
Me, jumper? What? No?
You gotta go wash it.
No. May nakasabit kasing, may nakasabit na jacket. Tinatanong ni Jan kung gusto ko raw yun. Oh no, thanks, ha. Kuya! Okay. Okay. Okay, ate. Ate Ish, ayun, binubuksan na ni. You alright, kuya? Okay. Napapasok na siya. Napaka-gentleman ng aking... Ay, ate, oh. Doon na siya.
Oh, we brought the turkey back for nothing.
Sinasabi ni Jan, parating na daw si Father Christmas. My hopes is what are you hoping that Father Christmas will bring to your to our house?
Four-wheeler for him, a four-wheeler for me.
Oh, I don't think so. That's too heavy. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Huh?
What?
What they want for Father Christmas?
What?
What's that?
A two-wheeler for Zach, a four-wheeler for me.
Diba? Hindi na toys ang hinihingi nila, guys. Diba na? So where are we going now? Blue Lake. Blue Lake daw kami, guys, kasi yung mama ni Pompal hindi pa nakakapunta doon. So doon naman kami. Hala, yung lulutuin ko. Kamusta na?
All the kids,
Kasi maghahanda kami, di ba? Naghahanda naman talaga ako
all the kids in
pag 24 kasi Noche Buena yan sa atin sa lubong ba for Christmas. Kasi dito sa Australia, iba yung nag-ano sila, nag-celebrate silang Christmas in the morning, 25 morning. Sa atin, di ba? Sa lubong.
There's air conditioner up the top there. If you point that to you, is it coming out?
Inaano niya si ate kasi yung aircon ba?
See that fly bar?
Yeah, I did. Uy, ate! Are you alright? Kasi mainit dito.
Have you got air conditioning, Isha?
30 degrees, guys. Ayan.
What window?
30 degrees. Ayan. Init. So, Blue Lake na tayo, guys.
Oh.
Dito na kami sa my Blue Lake, guys. Si Holly nakatulog na.
We're going to get a park road. This is the
Ayun siya,
problem, see? I knew this was going to happen. Well, you can't. There's no park.
Dito sana kami pupunta, oh.
There's no parks for three of us.
Oh, no parking.
I knew that.
Diyan sana kami kasi lagi na lang kami. Oh, just go on the walang park. Ang ganda ng Blue Lake, guys, kasi very blue siya talaga, kasi summer na. Tawagan ko si Pompal. Tingnan namin, bumalik kami. Ayan, oh,
Yeah, just
go.
calm down.
Calm down, bumalik. Oh, there's a lot. Dito, oh, ayan, meron na. Just squeezed in. Oh, good job.
Yeah, for us.
For us. How about them? Sana meron din silang parking. Go, honey, hurry up. Sana makapark sila. Kasi lagi na lang kami doon sa likod. Dito naman kami sa front. Kasi hindi pa sila nakapunta dito.
You can go under the road.
Kasi hindi pa sila nakapunta dyan, oh. Dyan sa my stone. Hindi pa sila nakapunta dyan. Pinakausap ko si Ate Isha. You wanna stay here, ate?
All do.
Okay. Dito lang daw sila.
Hop in there, but
Diyan na lang sila. Ano mo, Pampal? Turista, oh. You're staying?
yeah,
Oo, si Jan dito na lang siya. Sa Bantayan niya mga bata. So, Ate Isha. What's your head? You wanna stay here? Okay. Just open that hand. Just open that one.
any bark that look.
Ha? Malaglag. Mga pa-sombrero ang aking mga friends. Eto dito yung Blue Lake Lookout to, guys. Hindi pa sila nakakapunta dito. Pasya lang mama ni Pompal. Ito yung parang tunnel na maliit para makakross tayo dun sa malapit sa may Blue Lake. Ayan. Yeah. Hindi naman, maliit lang na tunnel. Para lang, road kasi yan, di ba? Hindi pa sila dito nakapunta. Oh, ayan. Oh, ang ganda ng Blue Lake ngayon, guys. Ayan. Napaka-blue. Ganda. Nay!
Mama, ayan, first reaction.
Ganda, Nay. Diba? Ayan. Blue Lake. Ito yung yung para makakross tayo dun sa kabila kung nasan sila dyan. Diba galing tayo dyan sa tunnel? Tapos dito stairs para makatawid ka dun sa kabila. Andun sila dyan, oh. Ayun. Diba? Saan siya?
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Okay, tapos na kayo mag-pictorial dito. Masaya ka, Nay?
Yes.
Ganda? Ganda? Ganda na.
Yung lugar ninyo, yung pinakamaganda.
Ha?
Napuntahan to.
Pinakamaganda sa amin.
Pinakamaganda.
Pinakamaganda raw yung lugar namin kahit kami nasa liblib to. Maganda kasi ang tourist spot dito, Nay, sa may sa amin.
Saan pa pumasan?
Sampa. Next balik nyo naman. Pare, wag natin ubusin ang tourist spot dito sa Mount. Next, ano naman tayo. Punta raw kami dun sa may, sa taas kasi gusto mag-drone ni Tony siya ni Mark. So, pupunta tayo dun sa kabila. So, kung saan kami dati, kung pumunta sila. Dito kami sa top, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda talaga ng blue lake ngayon.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. Feel
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile, Papa. Good. Hold your back. Doon niya. Oh. Okay, Zachary's turn. 1, 2.
No, why?
You're heavy now, son.
He's just gotta go to the toilet. That's it, yeah.
Si Jan nag-worry kasi si Isha gusto na mag-toilet. Pabalik na kami sa bahay and siguro end ko na tong vlog dito kasi mamaya magpe-prepare kami kasi medyo mahaba naman to and baki upload ko to agad-agad kasi para mag-greet ko rin kayo ng Merry Christmas everyone kasi mamayang gabi na Noche Buena na dyan sa Philippines. Dito kasi sa Australia nagsi-celebrate morning 25 ng morning sa atin, 'di ba? Sinasalubong natin yung Christmas. So Merry Christmas everyone. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Honey, say Merry Christmas to my friends.
Merry Christmas.
Honey.
Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas. Baba, say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
To everyone.
Everyone.
We love you.
I love you.
Enjoy your Christmas
Merry Christmas.
with your family.
With your family.
Okay guys, thank you. Merry Christmas guys. Bye. Thank you. Si Ate Isha kasi nawiwiwi na. Si Ate.
Jingle bell, all the way. We'll hop off